Hey guys, is your PayPal money stuck on hold? You're not alone, and yes, there are ways to speed things up. So, firstly, confirm your account details. Log in to your PayPal account, go to Settings, Account Settings, and make sure your email, phone number, and identity are verified. Incomplete accounts trigger more holds. Also, on the held transaction, click Add Tracking Info. Enter the carrier and tracking number. PayPal can release your money 24 to 48 hours after confirmed delivery. Also select Update Order Status on the payments. Choose Order Processed, then Confirm. After that, ask your buyer to mark the item as received on their end. This helps PayPal release funds quicker. If you don't add info, PayPal may hold funds for up to 21 days. Also, holds are common for new sellers, large transactions, or suspicious activity flags. And that's how to fix PayPal's money on hold issue fast. Hit like if this helped you, and of course subscribe for more digital finance tips. Thanks for watching, and get that cash released.